Hey folks, Mark with MD Custom Fly Rods here. As we get started in on the wrapping of the rest of the blank. Okay, first thing you want to make sure you do is lay out and count out all of your guides. In this case, I will go ahead and show you what we've got going on. I've got here, let's see, I've got a 8mm stripper guide, 7mm, 6.5, 6, some 5.5s, and some 5s. All double foot. I got a total of 12. Make sure you want to double check. All account, as I said, this is an 11-foot 11-foot Euro rod that we're building. So we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. General rule of foot is you use one more guide per foot. So what we will start is we have the Dremel tool on out, and this will be done by hand, but I will get everything set up, and we will put a little bit of an edge, a little bit more of an edge on there, and focus you. We want a little bit more of an edge, get a little bit smoother of a ramp on there. So I'll get the camera repositioned, and we will get that going, and then also I will kind of go on back here, even though I've got my markings on here, I will show you on and how and why we do that and how we get them set up. Okay, let me go ahead and fire this up here. And what we just want to do is smooth it out just a little bit. And as what this does, this just builds it a little bit easier when we are bringing our wrapping up on it. We will do this with every one. So the front part, it just makes it a little bit easier and a little bit smoother, and then we will fit that on that side. There we go. Get this in there. Just kind of do that. A little bit more ramping on there on each side. So I will go ahead and shut up, and I'll speed this up and get these done. So. Okay, other than amazingly boring, that's all there is to that. That is just usually done to help get that thread up there, give it a little bit smoother of a transition onto that ramp. And then as we lay it on down there, we'll take and fit each one onto the blank as we go. It just helps get a little bit better transition and a little bit smoother. And that way, there's just make sure there's no cutting or edging going up onto the thread. Less problems later on down the road, or even sooner as we get wrapping. And this is also where we get into some of the better parts of a custom rod. On this blank is since I am on the shorter side, I am 5'6". I like my stripper guides right starting at about 28 and a half inches from my reel. Not reel, but my the top of my grip. The top of my grip usually is I usually make my grips at 7 inches, so I have everything set for myself and fitted to myself. If I go and buy an off-the-shelf rod, standard is 30 inches. Same thing on the tip of the rod. Everything's going to be set at, your first guide is going to be set at 4.5 inches. On this rod, when I balanced it on out, which I didn't show, I should be able to go ahead and add some more pictures. I did take pictures of it. I did some test fitting, and I found on this rod, actually going at about 4 and almost 4.5. Let's straighten this out. At about 4.15 inches. I gave me the best for the point from the tippy top to to give the best curvature of the rod. So this way I'm able to fit the rod best for it. So by adjusting my rear stripper guide to my arm length and my front one, I'm able to get the best curvature of the line, the best and the smoothest feed for the line. So the benefit of having a custom rod, I'm able to pick up the rod easier from the line easier for myself, and that way, if you have a longer reach, your stripper guide could be brought out farther for you to have more of a comfortable, more of a natural reach. So that's how I come up with my guide selections. So I will get going, and I'll cut this on down and cut this video on down and get everything set up and for the next video, and I'll actually be putting the guides on there and showing how that's done and get it set to go and show you the actual starting of the wrapping on the rod. Remember, take friends and family out fishing. Have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe.